What's up, everybody? It's Jalen here, and I'm back again with a brand new video. So the video that we're doing today is an unboxing. It's a tech unboxing, and we are unboxing the 2014 Mac Mini. And so I started off with 2014 just because I wanted to start it off with something, just see how I like it. So I ordered it from Bat Market. Bat Market is a marketplace online where you can order all types of different refurbished stuff. They have Apple products. I think they have Samsung products. I'm not sure. But that's where I got this from, and this is not a paid sponsor, but Bat Market, if you want to sponsor me, you can go ahead. But yeah. So let's get into this unboxing. Okay, listen, y'all. Don't mind the messiness of my desk, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing. Okay. Do I need to? When using a knife, always cut away from yourself. Do not cut towards yourself. Oh, I done bumped the tripod. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I want to see, because this is refurbished, and refurbished products do not come in the original box, but I wonder if it does. Okay, so we got some packaging peanuts. We don't want to make a mess of that. Okay, so there it is. It does not come in its original packaging, which is fine. Okay. Oh, this is big. I was not expecting it to be this big, and it comes with the power adapter. Okay, so that was the unboxing. Okay. That was a good unboxing experience. Okay, so the charger looks, well, not charger, but the power adapter, it looks nice. It doesn't look messy or messed up or anything. We'll put that off to the side. Now let's get to the real thing. So, from just looking at it now, it doesn't look like it's messed up or anything. I did order the very good. They have different options of what options you can order. They have different options of the thing that you can order. Okay, so it's not that bad. For a very good version, it's not that bad. It got a few scuffs. It just wipes away. It just wipes away. It got a few scratches. It's not bad. This is big. I was not expecting it to be that big, but that's big. Okay, so we are now going to power it on, and the power button is right here. Okay, we heard the noise. It made the startup noise. Let's see. Oh. Okay, it's loading up. Look, I'm sick of y'all trying to call me while I'm trying to make a video. I know y'all see this camera and this light. Y'all, everybody always wants to call me once I'm doing a video. Like, uh-oh. Alrighty now. Let me bring my chair up a little bit. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. We from the United States. We gonna go through the setup process real fast. Okay, so I tried to fix the lighting a little bit because like it was too bright, so y'all couldn't see my screen. But yeah, let's see. Let's find my Wi-Fi. Where's my Wi-Fi? There it is. Put the password in. Alrighty now. It's connected. Y'all, this is my first big purchase that I've ever made by myself. And I'm proud. And Bat Market, y'all need to shop with them because I am surprised. Okay. We're not gonna transfer anything. My Apple ID. Okay. Now I gotta put the little numbers in. That was a lot of seconds. Y'all, I wish these trucks would be respectful of me trying to film this video. First, everybody want to call me. Now, everybody want to do construction. So I think this is on Mac OS Catalina or something. I don't know. Okay, so my password. I want to do just numbers. Can I do that? Just numbers. Oh, I can do just numbers. Y'all, if y'all don't know, I just love Apple products. I don't know what has gotten into me, but I just love tech. But it's so. And then I need to get a thing to put on the side of my desk to put my paperwork and stuff in. Because if y'all don't know, I'm a photographer. Make sure y'all go follow my photography Facebook page and go subscribe to my photography YouTube channel because I'll be uploading stuff on there too. Setting up your Mac. Uh-oh. Y'all, I'm so excited. I can't wait to check this out. Alright everybody, so that's the end of this video. I hope you like it. I am so happy that I ordered from Bat Market because they originally $800. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Follow all my social medias. Make sure you subscribe to if this is your first time seeing me. And yeah, have a nice day.